Hi guys, today I am going to present to you my About Me project. Before high school. I was actually born October 6th, 2003. As you can see, there's the picture of me in the top right corner when I was a baby. And I have two brothers. You can see another picture on the top left corner of me and my two brothers. The middle one, I am the middle one in the family, but the middle one in the picture is my little brother, and the other one is my older brother. So when I was young, I first started by doing figure skating. There was basically only girls in my class. For example, at Halloween, I was dressed up at Scooby-Doo, and every other girl was dressed up as a princess. So that was pretty funny. And next up, I quickly changed to hockey because I was already good with skating because I started with figure skating, like I said earlier. And yeah, hockey was a little bit my things, even though I wasn't very good at the beginning, but I catch up real quick and I became pretty good. I played for a long time before high school, but when I first started high school, I stopped playing hockey. For my primary school, I actually went to Rabo. It's a school here in Saint Lambert. My best souvenir from this school was actually a trip to Ottawa that I made with my class. We slept there actually one night, and it was actually pretty a nice trip. I was with my friend. We had lots of fun. Last thing I want to talk about is the Unforgivable Trio. So as you can see on the bottom right corner, there's a picture of me and my two friends. So there's Victor that is actually in my classroom right now. So we've been friends for a long time. And Tristan on the right, that is another best friends to me. He's at Du Rocher too. So yeah, we were actually very, very close. And we still this day we are very close. Next up, so sec 1 to 5. I don't know what you're writing, it's so small, but so when I firstly start secondary, I was pretty much I didn't have lots of friends, only the main trio, as you can see on the top left, sorry, corner. It's me and my two mates. And but quickly I started playing basketball, and I made other friends in my basketball teams. I made new friends at Du Rocher, and yeah, it was a lot more fun because I discovered lots of people that has same value and interest as me. I start not in sec 3, I think I start having parties. It was pretty fun. It made my social life a bit better. I start discovering other people that were very similar to me. And in sec 1 to 5, I realized that school is very important and it needs to be taken seriously. Um, so I put a lot of effort in to have good grades. Also, one last thing that happened to me in secondary, probably one of the worst things that happened to me, is that one of my basketball teammate wasn't very lucky. He actually got cancer and he died. So yeah, this was very sad. He was very close to me. He was actually the best player on our team. But till this day, I still remember him and I love him so much. And I know that up there he's still watching me. So that's it for Sec 1 to 5. For this year, actually, our English class, the, the thing that I prefer was the MVSC, I call it. So Mr. Verdi special class, when he actually talks about different subject that is not mainly related to school, but is actually pretty interesting. Uh, yeah, it was pretty nice. And next up was the teaching project. So for the teaching project, me and Victor actually made a how to do, I don't remember the name. I think it was how to do, uh, oh yeah, Laffy maple syrup, I think. It was pretty nice. I had a lot of fun doing it. And yeah, next it was the project that we are actually doing right now. So Harry Potter. Main reason why I love this project is because I'm a big fan of Harry Potter. I watched all the movie. I read some book about Harry Potter. So I love Harry Potter a lot. Outside of school, um, I love spending time with my family and friend, as I said, with my friends earlier. But my family, I love doing activities with them. I love them so much. As you can see, there is a picture of me, my two cousins, and my brother with the gray shirt. This is a picture of me at a party with two mates, such as Xavier, that is currently crying. I don't remember why. So as I said earlier, I think I love doing sports, every type of sport, but I also love video games. I play video games a lot, any type of games actually. And yeah, I also love cooking, making a recipe with my mother brings me happiness, and I think it brings happiness to her, uh, either way. Let me catch my breath. So next is my girlfriend. I actually have a girlfriend that I am very lucky. She's in my classroom, is Marianne. And yeah, I love her. Uh, I love her. Yes, I love her so much. So life ambition. So after Durocher, I am going to Cégep Édouard Montpetit. Uh, in I don't know what it's called in English, but Sciences Nature slash Sciences Pure. Uh, Yeah, so I'm doing my CEGEP, I think 2 years there. But after the CEGEP, I really want to go and explore the world. So visit other country, learn about other culture. And yep, so next, my university. I think for my university, I really want to go to Laval University because I already went to the campus there and I found it pretty beautiful. Uh, all this parkour will make me an architect. I really want to go to be sorry an architect in life. It's a thing that passion me a lot, and yeah, and I also want to have a family. Yes, so yeah, my dream. So before, not very a long time ago, but before actually, I wanted to become an NBA player, but I stopped playing basketball because I restart playing hockey and yeah, so this dream kind of fell off, but mm, this doesn't matter. And my other dream is to go to Japan. Why Japan? Maybe you said because Japan actually, I'm a big fan of all anime and yeah, anime culture and Japan culture. So I really want to go there. I think it's a beautiful country that is very different to ours. So yeah. Another dream that I have is actually making my own video game. It's a pretty weird dream, but I love video games and I always want to I always want to play more video games and making my own one will be a very very nice dream that accomplish actually. And lastly, I really want to become architect, like I said earlier, and a good architect. So thank you guys for listening to me. I hope this actually you learned a bit more about me and what I like, what are my values, and things that are important to me. And oh yeah, so this guy I don't is his name is Kyrie Irving. He's actually an NBA player that is actually my idol in the NBA. He's a very good player. He plays at point guard position and he's very very good. So yeah, thank you guys for listening and have a good day.